Hey everyone, welcome back to the Brandon Experience. As I promised before, I'm going to film a tutorial for you all utilizing the system from Decca Plus. This is our Satin Tame shampoo, instant conditioner, and our Satin Tame leave-in. I use a variety of products in the salon, but today I'm going to focus on what I sent you all, whether it was by means of delivery or drop-off, so that you all will know exactly the order to use it. The other video went through each of the steps in detail, and today you're actually going to get to see how I do this practically. Today we have our model here, my wife Alicia.
Hi.
Is this your first time on camera?
It is.
Yes, okay. Well, the camera rules, you just sit there and smile and be pretty and you just don't talk, okay? Because it's my channel. I'm just kidding. We are going to show you all in this video how to wash and style your hair at home during this time of quarantine. It's very important that we still take care of ourselves even though we are in the house. This video isn't going to focus so much on the art of styling hair, but more so the procedure, the step-by-step of how I'm going to take you through the products. So unfortunately, as you can see, this is not our typical setting. So Alicia actually is going to go and wash her hair in a different location that will not be filmed. Upon looking at our client's scalp, would determine the steps that we would need to take. Whether it would be to use the scalp therapy to cleanse the scalp, or we would go in with the satin shampoo. Alicia last night put the scalp therapy system all over her scalp, so her scalp has already been prepared. She's going to start off with the shampoo for her first wash, and then she's going to follow up with the conditioner system. So for the satin shampoo, she's going to put about a dime to a quarter size amount in her hand. She's going to emulsify it, make sure that her hair is good and wet, and then shampoo her hair. Yesterday, she put the scalp therapy on her scalp, because during the winter, her scalp tends to get a little flaky and dry. So again, as I mentioned, those of you with that scalp system, that's a really good thing for you to do pre-shampoo as a nice pre-shampoo treatment. So she's going to shampoo twice with the satin shampoo until her hair feels like it's squeaky clean. You gotta kind of work it a little bit. When it first goes on the hair, you're gonna almost feel like it's not enough. You might not have a lot of suds depending on how dirty your hair is. That's why that second shampoo to actually cleanse the scalp is so important. She'll be following that up with the instant conditioner. Now with hair that's as dense as Alicia's hair, technically she could use this as a leave-in conditioner. So what I'm going to have her do is put the instant conditioner in, let it sit. She's going to rinse that out and then put a dime size amount in her hair to use as a blow dry prep. When she comes back, I will be applying the Satin Tame. How we shampoo sets us up for the best conditioning on the other side. Are you good?
I'm good.
All right, here we go. All right, so while our model is upstairs washing and conditioning her hair, I've given her the thorough instructions to take care of that. I just wanted to pop back in just to hit on a little bit of product knowledge. I decided that she needed a deep conditioning today just to really make sure that her hair was in the best shape. Her hair is chemically treated, so this is going to be her best friend right now. This deep conditioner has double the strength of the instant conditioner, so double the nutrition, double the strengthening agents, the keratin. This has double the amount of oil, so it's going to make sure that her hair is well nourished. So she's actually going to use the deep conditioner, and then we're going to use the instant as part of her leave-in system just because her hair is so thick. So just to touch in a little bit of product knowledge. Wouldn't it be nice if our clients could wash their own hair? I actually enjoy washing hair. How strange it is for me to be sending someone off to wash their own hair. She's been around the salon a lot, so she's pretty experienced at taking care and doing a thorough job, but this just feels so strange to be sitting here. So I guess I'll just play Animal Crossing in the meantime while I wait for her. Thumbs up if you play Animal Crossing. Thumbs up if on some type of strange quarantine. Thumbs up if you just want to give a thumbs up because you're trying to show support to your boy. In the meantime, I'm going to play Animal Crossing while I wait on her to get back. All right, now we are back. Alicia has just got done shampooing and conditioning her hair. Now I'm going to use the Satin Tame, which is the leave-in conditioner. And a few sprays goes a long way. Just keep in mind it's concentrated. You can always add more product, but if you add too much, then it's tough to take away. There's a cat in our backyard. Look. That's not my cat though, that's a different one. Alright, so her hair feels extremely soft. This is actually my first time using this particular system on Alicia. I use it in the salon all the time. So blow dry the hair, whatever method you are most comfortable with. Round brush, if you prefer to use a paddle brush and blow dryer. If you are on quarantine mode and this is all you have at home, then go ahead and throw your comb attachment on your blow dryer and go from there. We want to ensure that the scalp has been dried also so that we don't steam or burn. The satin tame has acted as her thermal protectant and it has nourished the hair. I can tell that she did a great job of conditioning. Typically surviving out here, so we're making do with what we have. Shorter styles, I would mold the back of the hair down and they would sit under the dryer for a bit. But again, I will get started. We will start flat ironing and again, this isn't a styling video, so I know people like to just watch people do hair. So I'm going to put her in a lower chair because I'm not that tall and this is a lot higher than what I am used to, and then we will start. Don't wanna complicate ya. I'm so used to having the back of a chair. So we are just putting the finishing touches on Alicia's hair. That took about 25 minutes to do. So the edge control that I am in love with right now is from Style Factor. It's their edge booster. I will say don't use too much of it because if you overdo it, it does kind of leave the hair feeling crazy. So as with most products, less is more. You can always add more, but taking it away is always more challenging. If you accidentally do put a little bit too much on, you always can use a little oil on it. This is actually my first time doing hair ever at home. I don't do hair at home. We're going to make it through this time. This is practical for all of us. So we went ahead and curled this style for Alicia today. She can go ahead and wear a bonnet if she wants to just preserve the curly look. If she wanted it to kind of settle down faster, she could go ahead and wrap her hair at night, which I know that's not her thing usually. Alicia does sleep with a silk pillowcase or at least a satin bonnet at the minimum. Unlike cotton, which wicks moisture, we use cotton when we get out the bath to dry the water off. It will do the same thing to our hair. And if you do prefer to sleep on cotton, then just go ahead and give your hair a quick wrap. Look at me, I'm so used to this, I'm trying to lower the chair down. But if you all have any questions about the products, what I used, or any hair questions in general, feel free to leave those down below. If you think Alicia looks great, go ahead and give this video a like, share it with your friends, or just watch it again, you know. Until next time, peace.
Bye.